So I think it works better if you brush the hair like this first to like dry it and then roll it. So brush it first to dry it and then start rolling it to make it straight. So basically it is faster. It took me about 50 minutes to do my hair versus a blow dryer and a brush. It usually takes me an hour and a half. Blow dryer and a brush, if I take my time, I can get, you know, a silky straight result.